Assalamu alaikum class. I'm your class teacher. My name is Arsalan, and today we will learn our math topic exercise 1.12. So as I told you that 1.11 was your homework. So I already teach you this. Okay, so in 1.11 I just briefly tell you what is 1.11? Power and root. Square number and square root. Square numbers are different and square roots are different. Square numbers are like 5. Okay, so 5 square is 25, and square roots. Okay, like if I write it 25, so if I show you these numbers, that's about 25. So you just tell me that it's a square number. But if I am talking about square root, so this one is called square root. Okay, so this symbol shows that it's a square root. So with the help of this you can easily find cube number and cube root are as it is same. If you find 8, so you know which number I multiply, the same number I multiply 3 times, so I get the answer. So that is 8. Okay, so this is your cube number. Okay, or I also give you this, and cube root is as it is, like this one is your cube root as you see here. Okay, okay, let me open annotation as well. Okay, now this one is your cube root. So this one we call it square numbers. Square numbers is like it will have a two side, but cube root has three sided. Okay, one this up and like that. They have width, length, and height. Okay, but they only have height and length. They doesn't have square root, doesn't have width. No. Now find power and root. So power means, let's suppose this one is a x power is 2, x power is 3. So or anything is x, let's suppose 5, 10, 20, 100. So its power, if we never write anything, its mean its power is 1. Other than this, its power is something else like 2, 3, like square we call it cube, and as it is like that. These are called cube roots. Okay, means if its power is nothing, so it means it's called cube. Oh, sorry, square. Okay, so if they mention here like 3, so it's called cube. Okay, so as it is like that, there is a 4, 5. You and put with root, you just put anything. Okay, cube, chord, and all these things. Now as you can see, these are the numbers. Okay, so this will have a specific power. So if we put under root, okay, on both sides, so under root cancel this square. Or if you just write answers, so 13 square is 169, he mentioned here. 5 cube is 125, he mentioned here. Okay, 5 cube means 5 is this 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 means the same number you write 3 times. And 13 square means 30 multiply 30 multiply like this 2 times. So you will get your answer. Now under root 324, so if you put under root, so you will get the answer which number you multiply the same number of times, so you will get the answer like 18. 18 multiplied by 18, so you will get this answer. So how we will remove this root, because I write here 18 square, so this square cancel this root, so we will finish this as it is like that. 512. So when you multiply 8, the same number multiply 3 times, 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 multiply, so you will get 512. So we write here 8 cube, so this cube cancel this cube root. Okay, so this exercise as it is same, there is no difference here. He mentioned here like how they will write 324, like they write here 2 square 3 square 3 square. So when they multiply, so they will also get 80, because these are the common numbers. Okay, so they must write here, so they will make this 80. It's an easy way, they just tell us. Okay, so first you find, so if anything is common, so you write one time, so you will get your number. Group factor is a pair, and write down the square root of each pair. Multiply the root together to give the square root, because why? They will count these two count one, because there is a under root as well. So here I write 2 square, here I write 3 square, here I write 3 square. So square cancel this root, this square cancel this root, this square cancel this root. Okay, so they come out, and they once they multiply, so you will get your answer easily. Same situation is here. Okay, so because here is cube root, so they just combine 3 to here, 3 to here, and 3 to here. So when they multiply with each other, like 2 multiply to 4, 4 multiply by 2 8. So you also get your answer easily. So I hope all of you understand this exercise is so easy. So you just write answer simply. Okay, so which two number you multiply? What is x? You just find the value of x, means 5. What is x? X is 5, because 5 multiplied by 5, 25. So here which number you multiply to get 8? 2 multiplied to 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. As it is 11 multiplied by 11, 21. So x is 11. So like that you are solving the remaining all. I will also show you the answer of these questions. So now today let's start our 1.12. So this topic is working with direct numbers. Direct numbers you can see here, like we have these numbers. You can see these number everywhere, but like -2, -1, this number, what will this show? You can see this box on your buildings. Okay, so once you go in the second floor or fifth floor or sixth floor, so you are using this. Zero floor is your ground floor. Okay, so but if you go to your basement, first basement and second basement, so you click here -1, -2, like that. So you will be there. So if up is a positive, down is negative. If right is a positive, left is negative. Okay, and if north is positive and south is negative. So if above 0 is positive and below 0 is negative. So if more than 0, it's positive, less than 0, negative. If you are moving upward, so you say positive, and downward, so negative. So like this, here we will also solve such type of questions. So here we have 1.2. Now express each of these situation using a direct number. Okay, so what we will do here, a profit of $100 each of these situation using. Okay, he say profit, so what we will say, is it positive or negative? Okay, so here he also did tell us what is direction number, because we just find direct number. The temperature of 3 degree below 0 can be shown as -3. Okay, so the number like these which have a direction are called direct numbers. So the point 25 meter above the sea is a positive. Yeah. So here what we will do here, we just put direct the sign, either it's a positive $100 or negative. So here is positive because he get profit. So I write here plus 100. As it is like that, the next one is a drop of 10 marks. So what I write here, -10 mark. Okay, the new one is, as it is, it's not a difficult. Loss of 1 point. Loss means lose. Okay, minus 1.5 kg. Okay, negative 1.5 kg. So these number you are also using, like 25 kilometer below the sea level, so means 25 kilometer. So you just write this one down. Gain 2 kg means plus 2 kg. uh, Next is 8,000 meter above the sea. So here he write 8,000 meter above the sea. Okay, so next is fall of 25 meter, fall of 25 meter. Okay, so next is increase to 50. Increase means to $50. Okay, so I write here to $50. Now next one is a height of uh, height mean plus. Okay, height of 400 meters. Height means above. Okay, so 400 meter. So same like that, you are also solving this. Temperature 10 degree below 0, so it's mean -10 degree. So -10 degree, other than this you write. Okay, -10. Here debit. Credit mean increase, debit mean decrease. So debit mean he just take out his money. So I write here what, 2000. So next is a time to over behind. So behind the GMT. So behind means he's moving backward. So here I write here -2 hours. Okay. So like that, a bank balance of, so it's same as it is a bank balance of, so it's in positive. Okay, positive or yeah, positive, just positive. So 450,000. Okay, so here are the answers. So I hope all of you understand 1.2. So let same as it is, you can see these answers. 1.3 is also so easy, so you can easily done this by yourself. So thank you so much. Here is my last lecture of today. Okay, so tomorrow inshallah we will do 1.13. So take care class, goodbye, see you soon.